Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write application to the principal of your school for leave for remaining periods. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. 2. The principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Chandigarh. In the next line, mention the date on which the application is being written. Next, subject. Leave application for remaining periods. Respected Sir or Madam, most humbly I beg to say that I, write your name here, is a student of, write the class and section of your school. I shall not be able to attend remaining periods or days of, write the specific duration, due to. Next, write the reason for your absence or leave. I understand the importance of attending classes regularly. However, circumstances beyond my control have arisen. I therefore pray and hope that you would be kind enough to grant me leave for the remaining periods. And oblige thereby. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Write your name, your class, your section and your roll number.